Hi everyone, my name is Aniket Gupta and I'm a developer at Asambhav Solutions. So today I have brought you to show this new product that we are releasing. It is called the LinkedIn Profiler. And so I'm just going to give you a small setup tour, how we can do it. And let's just get right into it. So as you can see, we are on the website. You can go ahead and check this website at linkedinprofiler.com. And simply what we can do is let's click on this start, and as you can see we have some subscription plans. You can choose for this professional or enterprise if you want to get more profile analysis. But first of all, let's start with the free plan. So I'll just click here. We'll go to the LinkedIn page and let's add it to my browser. Okay, that is done. So I'll just pin this over here. Where is it? All right, LinkedIn profiler. All right, let's see. Okay, let's go to LinkedIn Profiler. And it shows me to click login. Okay, I will log in. I'll just use my office account, main account. I'll paste it over here and verify. All right. Now it is telling me to update some of my details. So we can just get it all by ourselves as well. So if I click on fetch your details, it should be done automatically. Or I can just add all the details over here manually, and I can add custom questions as well. Okay, so I'll just fetch my details. Yep, start. Let's just wait for a few seconds and be sure not to close this tab when it's working. Right, so let's just wait for it to complete. Okay, I guess it has taken all the data that it could, and it has. All right. The user is likely looking for candidate with skills in Node.js and React.js and related to development and potentially areas in NFT and smart contracts. All right, all right, we can go with that. So let's save changes, and I'll select the free plan for now. So this is the UI. I can change my settings over here anytime I want. I can just change the intent. For example, if I wanted to develop a Python developer or something, so I can just write it over here. I need a Python developer. All right. Now let's just go back. I can also change my subscription over here as well. That is a nice point. Okay, let's just try it over here. Uh, Initiate analysis. So I'll just click on find insight for profile. Let's go with this. Right. Okay. This is person or decision maker like CXO Honor. Okay. We get all the analyses that we need. So let's see if I want to get the details back of this person. So I will just go back over here. You can see analyze profiles. Click over here. We get, yeah, there. So you can get the details back. I guess you get the point how to use it. Simply just click on the profile where you go to the profile where who's the candidate is, and you can just click on initiate analysis, and it will be able to analyze the profile, the person that you are trying to hire or look for as a prospect, next prospect. So all right, thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye.